Let me take this opportunity to welcome you on board. Guys, let me say, if you don't have Deriv account today, the 10th of December 2024, you are not late. Just come and join us, guys. We are enjoying. Many traders are enjoying. If you ask those from the countries where Derivs are allowed, even in the countries where Deriv is not allowed to operate, they can tell you that we are using Deriv. I think you are the only one who is not using Deriv. More than 90% of the traders as of now, they have Deriv account plus another broker or another brokers, but their first broker of choice is Deriv. Let me tell you the advantages that you can enjoy when you are using Deriv. Number one, 24/7 withdrawal system. Number two, they have the payment agents which can operate in your country, where you can deposit using your local currency. Number three, Deriv is reliable, fast and efficient in doing everything. They always put the clients first. Deriv is one of the best brokers in the world so far, where you can deposit the funds and they are grouped into fiat, crypto. When we say fiat, it means all those funds from cards, Netla, Skrill, Perfect Money, they are grouped under fiat. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Binance, so and so, they are under crypto. So if you deposit Litecoin, you can withdraw Ethereum from Deriv. If you deposit Bitcoin, you can also withdraw Litecoin. If you deposit Perfect Money as fiat, you can withdraw Skrill or Netla. That is a unique feature which is found on Deriv. Yes, they have the anti-money laundering scheme or policy, but that one is quite flexible because they can simply check if the depositor's name is the one which is asking for a withdrawal, meaning to say they only block the third party processing of funds. They just say the name which deposited must appear as the name which is withdrawing, which is also a feature which is not found on many brokers. And Deriv, they are able to pay an amount. So far they are operating and they are celebrating 25th anniversary this year, 2024. 25 years of operation without any bad history is not a joke. Other brokers started and collapsed whilst the Deriv is moving like an elephant. They are still in the game. So now, come guys, you can deposit from $1 and you can start trading. They've got very good, unique synthetic indices assets where you can trade 24/7, even on holidays. Others, whilst they are playing or they are enjoying, they are on leisure, you will be able to try your luck to make money. If you are able to analyze the charts well, you can make money and they can give you every cent of your profit. They don't have any restrictions. This broker is good for everyone in the whole world. Many countries, I know, if they are allowed to operate in all the countries, Deriv is capable of doing that. They always put the clients first. They update everything. If they want to do the any maintenance, you can't just see no operations on the site. They can give you the warning or the notice in advance 3 to 5 days before the date. You will be aware that the cashier will be upgraded on this day, or this part or portion of the website is going not to function well on this day because all the updates, they are given to you. So if you don't have account, I designed and I managed to put in place all the steps that you need to open your account. Simply go below this video and then open your account. Now click the link, follow the steps. If you are not understanding the language, simply come to my inbox and then I can help you. Thank you very much. Good time. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos. Click the notification button so that you won't miss my future videos. Bye bye. Deriv is honey.